So I also rise to participate in this short duration discussion brought about by the Honourable Member from Shillong West, Bapol Lyngdoh. I also rise to support, of course, Bapol has given all the statistics, I think we need not repeat. But then I think I remember when I was still an LO, there was even a proposal from the then DGP to create a separate commissionerate for Shillong because policing, even the urban and rural areas are quite different. And now with all the crime rates affecting Shillong city, I think it's high time, sir, that we have a separate district administration, separate commissionerate, police commissionerate, and then of course other line departments, so that because as stated by the Honourable Member, the population is more than 5 lakhs and I believe in a matter of few years, the population will cross 6-7 lakhs. So I think it will be humanly impossible for anyone to administer to such a huge population area of this size. So, sir, I also rise to request because, as stated, for example, in my constituency, sir, when there is any issue with the law and order and other related issues, I have to contact 3 police stations, sir. Jalupara Police Station, Maungap Police Station, Madarating Police Station, sir. So it becomes, cumbersome for us, to get a small issue addressed just because I have to find out whether this case is for under that particular police station or under that particular police station. So, sir, I think it's, a genuine request from, and I think because the Chief Minister, is a man who puts everything in action, just not words. So I request the government, through you, sir, that if this can be addressed, is going to, help the, Shillong city, as stated by the Honourable Member from Nongshong also. So this is also my request, that the government looks into this issue seriously, and at the earliest, if this can be addressed, is going in a long way to help, bring administration as close as possible to the people and ensure that we have good governance and development. With this few words, sir, I also like to resume my seat. Thank you.